The new Toyota Plus Alexa app brings Amazon Alexa right into your vehicle through the vehicle's hands-free wireless Bluetooth connection. Toyota Plus Alexa is available as a free mobile app on both iOS and Android devices. In this video, we'll be using an Android device, but the setup process is nearly identical for both platforms. Let's get started. First, make sure you have a compatible mobile device and Toyota vehicle, and that they're paired to each other via Bluetooth. If you're not sure if your device is compatible, check the Google Play Store or iOS App Store. Next, download and install the Toyota Plus Alexa app from the Google Play Store or iOS App Store. And if you haven't already, be sure to also download the Toyota app to access even more Toyota connectivity features. For more information on getting set up with the app, take a few minutes to watch the How to Use the Toyota app video on YouTube. Once all the required apps have successfully installed, open the Toyota Plus Alexa app to complete the setup. Tap Get Started to proceed. If you already have an Amazon account, tap Sign In. Otherwise, tap Create a new Amazon account. Once you're signed in, tap Enable Permissions, and then proceed through the pop-up prompts that ask to allow audio recording, device location, and on iOS devices, notifications. Next, you'll be presented with a few pages that go over how to use Toyota Plus Alexa, including how to connect your device, how to talk to Alexa, and some things you can try with Alexa. At this point, the setup process is complete. To access Toyota Plus Alexa, press the Apps button or tap Apps within the main menu. Then tap Toyota Plus Alexa within the Infotainment section. So now, to use Toyota Plus Alexa, simply say, Alexa, wait for the response tone, and then speak your command. And that's it. That's all there is to using Alexa in your Toyota. For more information, please review your owner's manual or visit toyota.com.